Alrighty, it's been a while since we had a bonus pack a day video here on the channel, and I just got Magicon Atlanta Festival in box. Figured how about we open this up and take a look, see what we got in here. We've got the bonus cards, the Roadshow Edition Secret Lair. We have ourselves a box of Mystery Booster 2. Let's start off with this, because I have been pretty excited waiting for that sliver to show up. Get a little bit extra foil and bling for my slivers deck. We've got a Spaghetti Junction playtest card. Foil Future Shifted the Ur-Dragon. That looks pretty freaking beautiful. Scourge of Valkas in the old frame. Future Shifted Lightning Bolt. Alright, so the sliver's probably in the actual secret lair then. Yeah, okay, so it's got the pack rat. Opening a pack of magic cards for the top of the secret lair here. Shared Summons. Sylvan Offering. And there's the Sliver Legion. I love it. Bonus card for us is an island. Not that I was expecting to hit one of the Seven Dwarf cards, but it would have been nice. And then, of course, we have a box of Mystery Booster. Enjoy cracking these open because you get the fun reprints and test cards in them. So we'll just kind of check out the whole thing. We've got Gold Medal Harrier, Shelter, Probe, Deceiver Exarch, Noxious Ghoul, Predatory Night Stalker, Crimson Wisps, Violent Eruption, Blight Widow, Feral Hydra, remember when that was a rare? Remwood Falls. Oh, okay. First pack we hit a mythic. We've got Balance. We've got White Border, Culling the Weak. And then Future Frame Black Vise with a Fetching Garden. Huh, okay. Let's get a little more space here, feel a little crowded. Pack number 2. Does not want to come out of the pack. Alright. Rafine's Informant. Deathblade Elite, Weatherseed Fairies, Pirate's Prize, Steel Strength, Tortured Existence, First Day of Class, Skewer the Critics, Tyvar's Stand, Struggle for Skimfar, Gruul War Chant, Berserker's Onslaught for a rare, with a White Border Brain Freeze, and Norwood Priestess. Okay. It's not too bad. Yawgmoth's Day Planner. Okay. Hey, Reconnaissance. That's something we can always use. Unbounded Potential. Merfolk Sea Stalkers. Miscalculation. Betrayal of Flesh. Sengir Autocrat. You Find Some Prisoners. Pirate Spellbomb. Spike Colony. Call of the Herd. Ooh, Cryptic Spires. Haven't seen one of those for a while. Hey, another mythic today. Brightling with White Border Street Wraith and Cunning Wish in Future Shifted Frame. A Wrenn and 1 playtest card. Alrighty. Planar Disruption. Another Unbounded Potential. Silvermere. Flight of Fancy. Bubbling Muck. Raised Dad. Grab the Reins. Goblin Matron. Elephant Ambush. Devoted Druid. Skyknight Vanguard. Archivist of Agma. Okay. Basilisk Gate and White Border. Lightning Greaves. Always nice pull. And then we have Omnipresent Imposter. Showcase card. Or, playtest card, not showcase card. Whipcorder. Glimmerpoint Stag. Fairy Seer. Wall of Tears. Fleshbag Marauder. Skeletal Worm. Blade Sliver. There's a throwback. By Force. Seaton Scout. River Bear. Fracture. Yosei the Morning Star. Fairy Macabre and White Border. And Hull Breacher in Future Shifted form. Well, maybe he'll get unbanned from Commander at some point and we'll play him. And then Stone Drake in playtest card. Keep it rolling here. We've got Contraband Livestock, Fierce Retribution, Serpentine Curve, Psychic Corrosion, Raider's Wake, Dothy Embrace, Alina, Kessig Trapper, Pyrokinesis, Moment's Peace, Llanowar Visionary, Is It Boilerworks? Dromoka's Command. Always pretty useful. Hey, we've got a White Border Sarah the Benevolent. And then Energy Flux in Future Shifted Frame. Magus of the Chains. Oh boy. Yeah. Alright. Totem Guide Heartbeast, Loam Lion, Shimmering Glasskite, Sorceress Sight, Sir Conrad the Grim, Feed the Swarm, Tybalt, Rakish Instigator. Always fun to see the uncommon planeswalkers. Mogmaniac. Ancestral Mask. Got another Llanowar Visionary. Firemind Vessel. Hey! Continuing on our Abandoned Commanders pulls here. Leovold, Emissary of Trust. White Border, Unholy Heat. Triumph of Ferocity in Future Shifted frame here. Pretty nice. And then Rin Seri Inseparabler. Make all your dogs cats, all your cats dogs. Swift Justice. Banishing Stroke. Phaedo Alchemist. Ruin Crab. Buried Alive, pretty nice. Bloodthirsty Aerialist. Forked Lightning. Reckless Bushwhacker. Wilt. Woodland Mystic. Signal Pest. Pandemonium. Okay. Ooh, that looks pretty sweet. Snow-covered island and white border. And then we have an engineered explosives for Future Shifted with Marchesa's Surprise Party as our playtest card. Alright, starting off, we got Karoo, Splendor Mare, Alchemist's Retrieval, Dreamtail Heron, Vampiric Link, Wall of Blood, Orcish Settlers, Pillaging Horde, Spike Colony, Mobilize, Crystal Grotto, Ancestor Dragon. Okay. It's pretty nice. Wishclaw Talisman, white border. Ooh, we hit our foil Future Shifted card, so probably the only one of these we'll see in the box. But we've got Reset. And then Call from the Grave. Field of Souls, another Splendor Mare, Beltol Dragon, Daring Saboteur, Fledgling Djinn, Terror, some sweet artwork on that, Price of Glory, Arms Dealer, Blight Widow, Wall of Mulch, Bonder's Ornament. Ooh, Tristani Celestia's Voice. Getting a little beat up, but it's got the alternate art for that. Hey, white bordered Jace. And Hydroblast in Future Shifted frame with a map to Lothar's Temple. Exile, Last Breath, Sukata Firewalker, Annex, Crypt Sliver, Brood of Cockroaches, horrifying artwork there, Geist Blast, Purifying Dragon, Tyvar's Stand, Terra Sunder, Skybridge Towers, Varchild, Betrayer of Keldor. Ooh, got another snow-covered land. Kind of loving this white border on the snowlands. Snow-covered plains. And then future shifted relic of Progenitus. And a Spuzum Strategist. Nightwind Glider. Get an old rebel there. Cabria Vindicator. Grip of the Royal. Tauren's Invocation. Stromgeld Crusader. Reaper's Talisman. Rabbit Battery. Stormkiln Artist. Seaton Scout. Evolution Charm. Crackdown Construct. Hell's Caretaker. Blast from the past there. The white border Summoner Pact. Oh, okay. Future shifted frame Rat Hulk. We are going right into my zombie deck. And then we have Value Town. Alright, we have Battle Screech, Step Links, Wicked Slumber, Tempest Caller, Despondency, Supernatural Stamina, Furious Rise, Fire Blast, Ancestral Mask, Struggle for Scunfire, Stang. We have Grothma All-Devouring with a white border Elvish Spirit Guide and Mana Flare in Future Shifted Frame. I bet I can figure out something for you to go into. And then TLDR. Alrighty. Alharu Solemn Ritualist, Kitsune Blade Master, Startle, Tome Raider, Augur of Skulls, Sling Gang Lieutenant, Goblin Gardener, Voldaren Epicure, Nantuko Elder, Krosan Voreen, Dingus Staff. Okay. Peer into the Abyss is our rare out of the pack. Deafening Silence in white border. And then Final Fortune in Future Shift. Sliver of Hope. Well, probably won't end up in my Sliver deck, just because I mostly keep that Commander deck around to kind of get new players in. It's a very easy thing to play. Don't really want to confuse them with anything that doesn't look like a real card in there, I say, as I have plans to stick the promo I just got in there. But otherwise, Thunderous Orator, Wall of Glare, Shipwreck Dowser, Dream Thrush, Priest of Gix, Severed Strands, Dwarven Miner, Tago Goblin Weaponsmith, Hornsliver, Winding Way, Cavern Harpy, Charming Prince for the rare, with Seed Time in white border, and Underworld Breach. Okay, as the Future Shift, we have an Omen Path to Naya. Vizier of Remedies, Sunder the Gateway, Eldrazi Sky Spawner, Think Twice, Elspeth's Nightmare, Chain of Smog, Bold Rare Intimidator, Goblin Grenadiers, Bushwhack, River Bear, Steel of the Godhead, Momir Vig, Simic Visionary. We've got another one of the Ravnica deck alt arts. It's pretty cool. Simian Spirit Guide to join that Elvish Spirit Guide that we opened earlier. Relentless Assault with 2x4. Radiance Judgment, Perimeter Captain, Spectral Sailor, Mystic Speculation, Corpse Harvester, Stir the Sands, Crimson Fleet Commodore, Reckless Abandon, Deep Reconnaissance, Timberland Ancient. We've got a Tainted Wood, and then a Coalition Relic. Pretty good, pretty good. White Border Faithless Looting. Erratic Portal. Huh, okay. Defender of the Queue. Plate Armor, Breath of Life, Mental Note, Set Adrift, Dark Triumph, Gloomfang Mauler, Hoarding Ogre, Scrapwork Mutt, Storm the Seed Core, Feral Hydra, Boggart Ram Gang, Goblin Chain Whirler, with a Urian Sky Nomad in white border, Thassa's Oracle in Future Shift frame. I kind of like that. Fludge Gunk Guardian, Legendary Slug Ooze. What? When him or another Slug Ooze, Fungus, or Mutant enters the battlefield under your controller. Oh, the one that makes the gunk counters. Okay. You know what? That would be a lot of fun to make a little kind of uncommander deck for. Maybe we'll make that a project at some point. God knows I don't have enough half-completed commander decks, right? Whoever does. We've got a Ministrant of Obligation, Cabria Vindicator, Flash of Insight, Miscalculation, Wall of Corpses, Public Execution, Gathen Raiders, Zada Hedron Grinder, Great Oak Guardian, Challenger Troll, Painted Bluffs. Ooh, alrighty. Chroma Angel of Wrath. Keyword soup. Still got a lover though. Prismatic Engine ending in white border. Come on. Gush in Future Shifted frame. I kind of love that Future Shifted frame. Catch of the day. It brings back fond memories from when Time Spiral Block was out and I was playing cards in high school, picking up a pack or two a week from the local comic shop. Temporal Isolation, Spirit Link, Tezzeret's Gambit, Willbender, Falconwrath Noble, Cling to Dust, Barbed Batterfist, Chaos Chandler, Elephant Ambush, Golden Bear, Ancient Lumberknot, Imp of the Wilds, Get a conspiracy here. That's pretty neat. Once Upon a Time, white bordered, and Crashing Footfalls in future shifted frame. Intangible Vibes. All creatures are tokens. Shenanigans there. Alrighty. I think we are getting close to the bottom of the box. Looks like maybe another 3 packs left in there. Haven't really been keeping too close account. Angelic Protector. Baird, Steward of Argive. Rapid Hybridization. Daring Saboteur. Charcoal Diamond. Stupor. Flame Javelin. Firecat Blitz. Moment's Peace. Nissus Judgment. Terramorphic Expanse. We have Authority of the Consuls for the rare. Everything's coming apart. We've got Chain Lightning in white border. And then Future Shifted Kataki Wars Wage. Huh. Alright. Alright. Wormhole Warp. Alrighty. Omen of the Sun. Banishing Stroke. Viscera Deepwalker. Dreamtail Heron. Soul Snuffers. Ruthless Knave. Spiteful Prankster. Blaze. Bushwhack. Cytoplast Rootkin, another I remember when this is a rare card. Burning Tree Emissary. Consuming Aberration. We've got a white border Ghost Quarter. Ooh, okay. Singer Vampire, future shifted. Processing Plant. Alright, we've got Dauntless Bodyguard. Got another Baird, Steward of Argive. Mistblade Shinobi. Spin into Myth. Rush of Vitality. Barter and Blood. Thermopod. Sparksmith. Deep Reconnaissance. Spore Swarm. Belby's Armor. Goblin Goliath. We got another one of the Gamnite cards here. It's pretty good open. Kenrith the Returned King, white border. Proteus Staff in future shifted frame. Planeswalkerificate. Turns a thing into a Planeswalker. Okay, that's super weird, but that's what those playtest cards are for. Alright. Last pack. Let's see if we open anything wild in here. We have Shepherd of the Lost, Shepherd of the Flock, Curious Obsession, Killer Whale, Moment of Defiance, Dothy Horror, Scourge Devil, Battle Squadron, Hornsliver, Timberland Ancient, Skittering Surveyor. Oh, okay. Prosh, Skyraider of Care is the rare for the pack. With Minsk and Boo, Timeless Heroes is our white border card. And a future shifted Maddening Hex. Lastly, Teferi, Druid of Argoth. Alrighty, well that was a fun crack in there. A little half-hour video for you guys today if you feel like watching that. And I will see you all tomorrow when we are probably going to hold off on opening the rest of that Karlov Manor pack because tomorrow is Spider-Man Day. And man, if there was ever a Universes Beyond set laser focused in right at me, that'd be the one. So Have a great one. I'll see you tomorrow.